Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, SQL Alchemy, import SQL Alchemy, import SQLite, free, free, import unnecessary, import numpy is not required. Okay, so here we will be seeing how to import, how to create a database from a CSV files. New folder, data. So let's say we have some CSV files, data. Okay, like we have this data. So I'm uploading some CSV files to Collab. You can check this Collab here. Okay, so I will give it to you and just go through my code also. Yeah, this is collab link which I'm sharing with you. So you can always check here like what we are doing. First of all, we will be reading the files, like we will check the files. For okay, we'll import OS. For file, in OS dot list directory, which is data. Df equal to pd dot read underscore csv. So we will write here as data slash this string here plus file if dot csv in file then we will perform this operation df dot shape. Okay, we will do like this. Okay, data equal to data equal to data, and here also we will use f string data, and also we will use double slash it is not showing. We have to access this data. Okay, content slash data will be the right one. Content slash data As we'll write here, we'll take down. I'll remove this. Let's see. Hi Bhargav. I am creating a database using these CSV files, which are there in this one. Like in this folder, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 CSV files are there. So we have to convert it into database files. Okay, first of all, I did this one, and I'll be doing this one. Then we have to print this. Then we'll come to know like what is the size of these 4 CSVs. Okay, so we have read all 4 CSV files. So now we will be sending these CSV files. I mean, we will create the CSV files to a particular database. So we will see that one. So before that, we will be adding one more code here. Is creating engine. Create engine. SQLite. Colon slash database.db. Okay, this is my engine. I connect this one. Yeah, this is working. So now what we will do is df dot to SQL. We'll be doing like the table name will be df. Okay. No, the table name will be file. But in this also like we will be taking out that CSV. Only file name will be there here. So the next one will be connection equal to engine, and the next one equal to if exists equal to which will take a replace, and the last one is index equal to false. So before we run this, we'll do one thing. Print file -4, ensuring that it is removing .csv. It is removing CSV. You can see the table names will be coming like this. These are our 4 file names. Okay, so it is working fine now. We can comment out that one. We can enable this. Yeah, let's run this one. So now if you see, we have got a database.db. It means it will create all four table names. So all the data will be sent to this particular database. So to make this more realistic, then we will be doing one thing which is called logging. And also we'll be writing the logging dot basic configuration is like file name equal to logs dot uh, ingestion db dot log, or else we'll write database db dot log. Okay, we'll get level equal to logging dot debug. And also format equal to, what format we will do is like we print the time okay, and also we'll be writing like level name also we'll be writing like message. Then we'll be doing file mode is equal to append. Okay, we'll just run this one. It is done. Here what will happen is this we don't require, so we will write logging.info. We'll write like ingesting what will write file to database.db. Okay, So once this is done, like login.info, completed for file to database.db, right off instead of for. Okay, so after this what we'll be doing, like we need a total time completed also. Start equal to get time, time dot time, and here n equal to time dot equal to time dot time. Total time equal to n minus start. We will convert this one divided by 60. Dot info, we write like this. Mission completed. Info total time taken, something like total time minutes. Okay, increase as string, and also we'll write in next line, which is this. Okay, so first of all we'll run this one, then we'll run this, run this, and at last we'll run this. Now it is getting stored to a database. Audio button. I did not print anything on this one, so that we have to do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be doing like this one. So right, print initiative, length of file. Okay, page text complete name. Just copy this one, comma file. Right, okay, I'll run this one now. So one, two, third one is running. Purchase one. So beginning inventory is pending. The purchases is pending. So if we complete these two, then okay, beginning inventory, purchases, everything is done. This log. Okay, database dt.log. Okay, again we'll run this one. Okay, we'll see like how it works. Okay, this log is not created. The last Okay, this we have run. Now we'll see whether something is being written to log or not. So one thing like ORY CSV, so we'll be having only two sheets. Now let's see the log. Okay, we'll take the help of Gemini. Okay, the login. The current login setup. Right. Okay, let's see like what I'll do this data slash login, right, and create and run this one. I think this should be deleted. This is completed, but still we don't have that file. Let's go to ChatGPT. We give the complete code there. Here is wrong. should work. Let's see. Now run this one. Run this. Now run this one. Let's copy this login configuration. So put outside. Login.info. What if it is Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter Notebook used to come, but not sure why it is not coming here. Okay, anyways, we have connection is equal to SQL 3 database for DB. Having .csv. All right. Dot connect. SQL query. Select name from SQLite master with type equal to name. Okay, so connection print tables. So this is the same SQLite master is equal to table. Okay, so we have four tables here. Okay, now we can read like this. pd dot read SQL select start from n three limit 10. Okay, option. Okay. This is the data for end inventory. So if you write purchases, and you can see for purchases you can write like where size like fifty percentage. So we'll get all 750. Okay. Or else if you want like this, where store equal to 69 to 1. Okay, so you can see the data for only one. Like this we can now store the data to a database from CSVs to database, and that too in a table format. Like each CSV will be saved as a table in a database. So that one we can access through read SQL. If you want SQL library viewer, So you can just drag our database file here and download this. It's getting downloaded. Hi Gautam. Once it is downloaded, then you can just drag and drop it to SQLite viewer. Currently, it is getting downloaded. I think the file is huge, but okay. Let's see. Like we will be having only one table here. So like SCS. We'll be having only purchases, or else we'll take CES. Which is prices. Purchases is getting loaded to database now. I'll interrupt this. Purchases is getting loaded to. Then I will rerun so that the prices will be disabled to this one. And now I will download this file. It is very small file. Let us see, like okay, it is getting downloaded. We will wait for it to download. So once it got downloaded, then all the tables, you can see it in SQLite viewer. So it's in web application where you can upload your DB file, and you can check the names of table like inside data everything. So if I connect now, and we will see like what are the tables are there inside that database file. So these tables are there currently. 4 tables are there. Okay, so all the 4 tables got loaded to this one. So this file I have already saved. I have given in the chat box. You can go there and you can see like how it can be done. So first of all, what we have done is we have imported SQL Alchemy. So I'll explain this one. I'll close the live stream. Okay, so first of all, we have imported SQL Alchemy, and in that we have taken only create engine, and we imported SQLite 3, we imported pandas, OS, logging and time. So this is a basic logging, basic configuration, and this one is the engine which we will create for creating a database file. Okay, so this is for SQL Alchemy, right? So now what we have done, we have iterated each file, like we have read each file from data which is from this folder. So in this also, like initially I have taken like this, like if the file name contains .csv, so .csv is there, then that file should be read in CSV format, and also it should be loaded to SQL. See, I have given like this df.to SQL. So in this, first we have to give the file name, which is table name. So in file I have taken .csv, which is 1 2 3 4. Dot will be considered as 1, CSV is 3, total 4. So that 4 we have removed from the file name. Then connection equal to engine, this engine, and if the file the table is already exist, then we are asking it to replace it. And the fourth one is index equal to false, which means like we are not considering the index of these files, like inside rows we are not considering. Okay, so all those things will be loaded to each table, so it will be iterated one by one. So once it is completed, then we will come to know like which all the files have been processed. Okay, so this step is completed. Okay, so here this step is completed, and now what we will do, we will connect this database via SQLite 3. Okay, so we have wrote SQLite 3 dot connect, and we have connected this database, see this database file. And now we will see the table names, like what are the tables are there inside this database. We will be seeing like if a person knows like how to check the table names in a database, so that's the same query I have written here. Select name from SQLite master where type equal to table. So we have to give this connection for sure. So this connection is this one, and we can print this table names. So these are the table names, and just to show you like if it works or not, like pd dot read SQL or read SQL query. So anything you can give. From purchases I have given where store equal to 1 and connection, and as I told, you have to give this connection for sure, then only it will get executed. Okay, so like this you can check the SQL SQL data. So you can do every operations inside this one, and you can store it to new database, and on that you can perform EDA. Understood? So this is how we will be storing CSV files or text files or very larger files to a database via Python. Okay, so if you have any questions, then you can ask. I'll pause for 2 minutes, then we will see like if you have any questions, then I'll clear it out on the call itself. or else we will wind up. Like any question, if it is a simple or if it is a complex or if meaningless question also is fine. If you have doubt, then you have to clear it, right? Yeah, I think 4 to 5 people are watching. Just like the live stream, and if you don't have any questions in today's session, then we will catch up tomorrow, not on Saturday. I thought like we'll be having the next session on Saturday, but tomorrow I am planning to have one more session in the evening, so that like we will learn more. So any questions, any queries, you can just ping on any video, so that I'll respond. Also let me know like at what time you'll be comfortable to learn all these things, so that I'll plan my time accordingly. And guys, requesting everyone to like the live stream. So if you have any language barrier also, then you can tell me, so that I can switch the language as well. Expecting like from everyone. Okay, so I'm done. That's it from my end. I have already given the collab link on the chat, so you can check it out there. You can come here and can read the complete code which I have written. Okay, so if you have any questions, then you can ask me today, or else you can ask tomorrow also, or else you can ping me on the community. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a great night. I mean, good night.